Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook eggs like McDonald's. To begin, gather your ingredients and tools. You will need fresh, large eggs, a non-stick pan, and an egg ring. Butter or cooking spray is crucial for preventing sticking and adding a delicious flavor. Finally, a small amount of water will be used to steam the eggs, giving them that signature fluffy texture. Let's get started on preparing these perfect breakfast eggs. Now, let's dive into the cooking process. First, preheat your non-stick pan over a gentle medium-low heat. Place your egg ring securely in the pan and lightly grease its interior to prevent sticking. Carefully crack one large egg directly into the center of the egg ring. Then, add about 1 tablespoon of water to the pan, just outside the egg ring. This water will create the steam we need. To achieve that signature McDonald's texture, cover the pan immediately after adding the water. This traps the steam, which is key to cooking the egg evenly and creating a wonderfully fluffy result. Allow the egg to steam for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until the egg whites are completely set. You can adjust the cooking time slightly if you prefer a runnier or firmer yolk. This method ensures a perfectly cooked egg every time. Once your egg is perfectly cooked, carefully remove the egg ring. Gently slide the beautifully shaped egg onto your plate. These eggs are ideal for making delicious breakfast sandwiches, just like your favorite fast food spot. Add a slice of cheese, some crispy bacon, or a savory sausage patty to complete your meal. Enjoy your homemade, fluffy, and perfectly round McDonald's-style egg creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.